what the PRO Act means for real estate agents, Facebook's response to Clubhouse, what to expect in real estate this spring. Plus, stick around to the end to find out how you can win a Paperless Agent t-shirt and $50 gift card. I'm Sarah Pinnell, and this is Open House. Well, happy spring, everybody, and welcome to the third installment of Open House. On today's episode, we're going to get started with the PRO Act and what that means for real estate agents. So what is the PRO Act? According to the Washington Post, the PRO Act, otherwise known as the Protecting the Right to Organize Act, would amend some of the country's decades-old labor laws to give workers more power during disputes at work, add penalties for companies that retaliate against workers who organize, and grant some hundreds of thousands of workers collective bargaining rights they don't currently have. It would also weaken right-to-work laws in 27 states that allow employees to forgo participating in and paying dues to unions. But what does this mean for real estate? According to Housing Wire, if this bill passes through the Senate, realtors who fail to self-incorporate will become employees of their brokerage firms. Unlike certain past situations, like in California, there is little opportunity for National Association of Realtors, or realtors in general, to enter into legislative deliberations. Most states already allow for realtors to make this change and have their real estate license be in the form of an LLC, PLLC, PA, or S corporation. Now, realtors making this change essentially become employees of their own entity. However, this change can cost realtors up to hundreds of dollars a year and include a lot of extra paperwork, although all in all, very little will change. Not so, however, for those who fail to self-incorporate. Commission splits will need to be renegotiated to account for that shift in who pays for Medicare and Social Security, as currently, realtors pay all of this through their self-employment taxes. Now, the National Association of Realtors responded by cautioning members not to panic over the PRO Act, stating that several recent opinion pieces in industry publications have incorrectly depicted the bill as nearing imminent passage in the Senate and becoming law with unfavorable terms for realtors. According to NARS Chief Advocacy Officer, Shannon McGann, NARS advocacy team worked with lawmakers in the House to ensure realtors would not be negatively impacted and to support an amendment that would protect existing state definitions of employer and employee. We are currently working to ensure this language is included in the Senate version. Now, moving on to some social media news, Facebook has responded to the overwhelming response to Clubhouse. Facebook will now start creating audio-only versions of their meeting rooms. Now, this has yet to be rolled out, but it is coming very soon. On to some more real estate-related news. Spring is breeding a very competitive market. According to Inman, most industry professionals have painted a picture of a competitive market that only stands to get more intense as the warm weather increases. So what can we do to increase inventory in the market? According to Hannah Smith, self-proclaimed executive real estate geek at the Property Geeks team at eXp Realty, told Inman in regards to the real estate market, it's just a matter of us as realtors getting out there and trying to explain, without coming across as a salesperson, of course, how good they would have it as a seller right now. And if you're looking for a way to reach out to your contacts and connections without having that commission breath, check out some of our free trainings visiting the link in our bio. Now, moving on to some Paperless Agent news. We've recently moved our free Tuesday training webinars from 11 a.m. Central Time to 3 p.m. Central Time. So those of you who enjoy afternoon trainings, make sure you check those out and join us on our upcoming training this Tuesday. In honor of our video series, and as a thank you to all of our amazing viewers, we want to do a special giveaway this episode. So if you want a chance to win a Paperless Agent t-shirt and a $50 Amazon gift card, all you need to do is follow the link in our bio and click on the giveaway button. Well, that's it for this edition of Open House. Thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you on the next episode. As always, if you haven't, make sure to give us a follow at the Paperless Agent, and we'll see you around.